All right, y'all, Mobile Home Mama, here we are, the unveiling of the kitchen, and there's so many things to talk about in here. So I'm going to step back, take a panorama view of everything. This is, again, the Barton home that's going up into Michigan. We're still on that same video. She just did it so well in here. So starting in the dining area, we do have a patio door going out the back. In most cases, when people are going to do that, they're going to do a deck out back. So that's what we have going on here. Coming into the kitchen, the first thing that I notice is we've got 42-inch cabinets going all the way to the ceiling. What a great way to add extra storage. I mean, in some floor plans, there's also the option to add pantries and to do some things like that. But right off the bat, I think it's a great idea to do those taller cabinets, because what happens when we go inside of the cabinets, and let's just check it out. Let's go inside of here. We've got, of course, in the Diamond series, we have adjustable shelving on the inside, but you also get that extra shelf up there. So all the way up, lots of storage there. Brushed nickel knobs. We did a Destin White hardwood cabinet, and now you'll see we've added some trim going in the top of the cabinets. We still did finish ceiling joints through in the living areas, but you'll see when we're above the cabinets, we do add some trim there. So also, let's check it out. We've got drawers over doors. We've also got crescent edging going on here. So we've got the rounding of the countertops, and Whirlpool, we kept the standard appliances. That's okay. And check out these doors. I love them. They're so new. And first time I've seen that door, actually. I'm going to open up the pantry. Nice big corner pantry, lots of storage for your food items, crock pots, etc., whatever you want to do. And I have before added electrical outlets in there as well, in case, I'm not sure, there's probably lots of applications and things you can do with an electrical outlet in your pantry, but I have done that before. New for this year, we've talked about it before, the black hardware. So we've got the black handles, the black hinges. Remember, we just talked about in the bathroom that we did do 3 hinges per door. So that's what we have going on here. Quartz frost on the countertop. So what a bright, cheerful kitchen we have here. Bright, cheerful home. Everything is light and bright. Let me just step back and get a panorama, a total view of the whole kitchen. Wow. Here on this bar on the island, we do have 2 posts coming up out of the island. Gives it lots of, there's Brittany. Hi, Brittany.
Hello.
Hey, looking pretty in pink today.
Hey, Cynthia.
So here in the kitchen, the customer opted to have us ship the backsplash separately, right, Brittany?
Yes.
So they're still going to get it. We're just going to ship it separately. She's a very creative person, so I think she wants to do her own thing with that. But it is part of the drywall package, so it is hers. Here we created the opening for the dishwasher. She must be bringing her own appliance here. So we've got the wire plumbing and the cavity for the dishwasher, and it's ready to go. We call that dishwasher ready. And let's see, gas stove. So we opted for the gas stove here. And then we've got the hood above that. This customer put the Dutch package in here, Brittany. Refresh my memory. We did the Dutch package.
Well, I don't know.
Okay, pretty sure we did. If not, Cindy, I'm sorry, but I'm pretty sure we did. Let's see.
That's the DGAE HUD package.
Yeah, the HUD package. That's what I thought. Perfect. So, what a great kitchen. Lots of space. This is the Barton. Normally, this home is a 28 by 56, but the customer put a 4-foot stretch in the living, which would affect the dining area also. So, you're seeing here a larger dining area, and then it would travel on through to the living room. That's what's on the other side of this plastic. Well, when the home is put together anyways, you got the living area. So this is a wide open floor plan. Give me a call if you want to come check things out. You can see, once again, we do it good, we do it big. However you want us to do it, we'll do it. So give me a call. It's starting to heat up. My schedule's filling fast, but I'll squeeze you in, and I got plenty of time and room for you guys. I get one other thing before I go. These are pot and pan drawers. They're right behind Brittany here. So an extra large drawer. Can you Vanna White me here? Extra large drawer for your pots and pans. So good price on those. Currently 2 for $109. Definitely worth the money there.
And they're the soft clothes.
And Brittany, gosh, I love her so much. She's so good to me. All right, guys, we're gonna do a video of the exterior as well. So signing off in the kitchen. This is the Mobile Home Mama. You can actually, I added a link to my YouTube page now. If you look on my main page, you can schedule right into my calendar if you want to do an appointment. And if you're outside of the Great Lakes area, give me a call and I can sure direct you on your nearest Champion Center. Build you a champion home. We are the best. Thanks, guys.